This video will explain how a classroom teacher can run a report of the students in their classes who have individualized education plans or IEPs. The first thing is log into Synergy, click on Reports, scroll down to STU 409 class roster and click on the blue square. That will open up this window, and in this window you will search for students with IEPs. The way you do this is go to the tab Selection, click Add, and from this drop-down menu you're going to select from this list IEP. You'll see it displayed here. Up in the left-hand corner, click Print. And now the list of students with IEPs will be generated. From this list, you can then take the names, go back to your class list, click on the student, find the demographics, and under Documents, their IEP will be loaded that gives you information on what support they need in class. Our students with disabilities need support, and as classroom teachers, this is how you can identify how you can best support them. I hope this video has helped you, and you are able then to identify the students who need support in your class. Thank you.